Hello? Oh, am I talking to Trump? Oh, yeah. I am sending my condolences to you for losing your presidential elections. Yeah, it happens. Don't worry, it happens. Yeah, it happens. Oh, sorry. Oh, my name is kimzy from Africa. Yani Kenya. Yeah. And President Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta and People's President, Right Honorable, retired Prime Minister Raila Amolo Odinga. And we don't care. We don't care. Right now, we have BBI, and we don't care. We amend our constitution after 10 years, and we don't care. Still, I am the king of hustlers. Yeah, WSR, Dr. William Samoei Arap Ruto. Yeah. You know, here in Kenya, we don't care. You know, this BBI, I won't tell you more about BBI. You know, Raila Amolo Odinga said it will cost 2 million to go to referendum, and Chebukati, the chairman of IBC, said it will cost 14 million. You know, we Kenyans, we don't care at all. If it costs 14 million, we just go to China and borrow money. We do not care. Now, when I heard that you lost your seat, nilifikiria kuna mtu, I know of somebody who can help you. Yeah, namjua vizuri sana. Yeah, he's a Kenyan, but currently he's not in Kenya. Yeah, because of passport issues here and there. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Miguna. Oh, you know him. You have read about him. Yeah, because of passport issues, he's not in. Huyo mtu, when you liaise with him, I'm telling you, you will never regret. Yeah, you will not regret. Still, unaweza ongea na baba akupe two tips of what to do. Oh yeah. But Miguna is the right person to talk to. That guy will never let you down. He cannot. Yeah. He's in Canada. Right now he's in Canada. Yeah. Alafu, unajua, ukifanya campaign, okay, kuna ka mistake kalifanyika. I wish you knew unipigie simu. Kuna mtu ninge connect na yeye akuimbia wimbo ya campaign, and I'm telling you ungeenda White House directly. Yeah, he's from Kiambu. Yeah. Inside to the White House, Trump again, ndani to the White House, Trump tena, tena. Yeah, he's called Ben Githae. Yeah, Githae. He's from Kiambu. I'm telling you, that guy, if you rest with me, I could have connected you with that, and you could have gone directly straight to the White House. Yeah. Okay, no, but I just wanted to pass my condolences. But don't worry. Yeah, don't worry. Yeah, you just make sure you have handshake, and you will never regret it. Like here in Kenya, and we don't care. You know, Kenyans, we don't care. We are always careless. Yeah. Okay, no problem. But condolences. Just cool down. It happens. It has happened to Baba, right? Amolo Odinga. It has happened many times. And he's strong. Yeah, he's strong, bold. Yeah. Hello? Kwani amekata simu? So, I'll call him later.